Now we come to the movement press. Press is a very small movement. It's not very wide, but internally you have a lot of stretching, especially across the back. So the hand posture for press is one hand forward and one hand behind. And it's like you're squeezing very gently into the hands. The movement starts on the back leg and transfers the weight to the front leg. Sit back and transfer the weight to the front leg. Sit back, transfer the weight. As you transfer the weight forwards, there's a little bit of stretching through the elbow. Not enough stretching that it brings your shoulders forward, so you don't want to pull too much, but just enough stretching that you can feel it stretch into your spine. Sitting back, forward, back, forward, back, and forward, back, and forward. You can try on the other side now, swapping the hands around. Make sure that when your hands are placed together, they're not just flat, but slightly rounded. So there's a little bit of cupping in the palm. Place the other hand on top, in the middle of your body, and as you move, the elbows rise slightly. As you come back, they drop. As you move forward, they open. This slight stretching in the elbows forward allows the stretching to happen across your back. Breathing in as you stretch, breathing out as you relax the arms and bring the elbows back. Breathing in as you stretch, breathing out as the hands come back. This is the movement press.